We planted these Mexican sage cuttings over the summer and they have been growing very nicely. If you haven't seen that video, I have added the link in the description. You can check it out. So it is the beginning of fall now and they are still growing. And I'm worried that they will be too crowded in this small container. So I want to take a few cuttings and plant them separately. So I'm going to take out one right now and plant in this container. So I'm just going to dig up one. Look at this. So just dig up a hole and put it in here. And in this container, a lot of compost, half composted chips, cocoa peat, and some topsoil. I'm going to water it thoroughly and keep it in the shaded area where this planter was. So in similar environment, and I'll keep you posted. It's been a couple of weeks, and after a week, I moved it into a partial sun area, and it's looking good. It's standing tall, so I think it is completely fine now. So I transplanted these two here from this container. This was the original one in which we had several cuttings, and it still has few cuttings. And this was the first one we transplanted. And look, it has started developing flowers. Now I have moved it in complete sun. Of course, it is fall, so the sun is not that harsh, but Mexican sage likes sun, and that's why I moved it in sun, and it is doing fine. It is growing well. Really happy to see its growth. I'm so happy to see the plant getting the flowers. Look at my Mexican sage now. It's blooming so beautifully. Yes, it is very small, but it looks so good. And the main thing is that I started these cuttings in the summer and I'm in the middle of fall right now and I can see the blooms. So it is so rewarding. It is so fulfilling. So of course, I'm hoping that this summer it will grow big and it will have a lot of blooms. But just wanted to give you an update that when you start your plants from cuttings, sometimes they give you the results like within a few months. Like here, probably in 6 to 7 months, I've gotten the blooms. So I hope this video was inspirational to you. If you have access to Mexican sage cuttings, you can plant them and you will have blooms pretty quickly. And hopefully next year it will be much bigger. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.